everyone, welcome back to the MZ Mechanic channel. Today, we're diving into the wild world of clueless and dangerous drivers. Buckle up as we unravel the chaos on the road. Let's get started. That steep slope, paired with icy conditions, turned that truck into a slippery slide, sending it tumbling backward like it was trying to pull off an epic stunt. Wow, with just one scoop from that wheel loader, it's like the whole area decided to take a dive. Talk about making a dramatic entrance. The truck was cruising down the highway at breakneck speed when it suddenly lost control, thanks to a front tire explosion. This has got to be the first day on the job for that forklift driver. It's like they thought, how hard can it be? And then proceeded to give us a masterclass in how not to operate heavy machinery. This woman stayed so calm while maneuvering into the parking spot after a hefty bump with the car next to her. It's like she thought, no biggie, just another day in the life of a parking pro. Next time, let's let the crane handle this job instead of trying to play superhero with the excavator. Did this truck just decide to play the role of heavyweight champion by exceeding its load limit? The pickup truck's cargo decided to throw a fiery tantrum, and the driver was blissfully unaware until it was too late. Talk about a hot delivery. The driver pulled a shocking stunt after crashing into the curb, running a red light like they were late for an imaginary appointment. The other driver jumped out, trying to play traffic cop, but their efforts were a little too late for the show. The red truck had a moment of distraction on the road. On October 3rd, on the G69 Yinbai Expressway in Yuzhong District, heading towards Lingyun, a pink car suddenly zoomed out from the left rear and crashed into the car in front, causing a 3-car pileup. That BMW had to pay an extra toll, and it wasn't cash, just one tire off the deal. Talk about a rough road expense. Two excavators decided to throw a tea party under the hood. Guess the fuel quality RSVP'd flammable. This tanker truck took housewarming a bit too literally, plowing straight into a row of new homes. Luckily, no one had moved in yet. This wheel loader just got ambushed by the road itself, sinking one side of its tire into a surprise pit. Maybe it's time for a serious chat with the road construction team about their quality work. Is hauling two trucks like this just a tad too risky, or is it the ultimate daredevil move in transport? That truck is hanging out in the middle of nowhere, caught between two worlds like it's trying to decide if it wants to be a road warrior or a roadside attraction. The aggressive black sedan up front tried to play roadblock, but clearly underestimated its opponent, only to be sent reeling back. Talk about a plot twist on the highway. This truck loaded with rice just flipped into the ditch, scattering grains everywhere. Who knows? Maybe next season we'll have a surprise rice field popping up in that ditch. This stretch of road has a view so clear, you can see a squirrel sneezing a mile away, but that truck still chose to make a bold entrance into traffic. That oversized truck almost tipped over twice. Talk about a close call. It's like it was auditioning for a stunt double role, but thankfully got a second chance. Wow, the wheel loader found its balance with just one bolt on the truck's rim, lifting one side of that beast like it was doing a strength training session. Who knew a little leverage could turn a truck into a seesaw? That off-road vehicle took the plunge, completely submerging its front end in the water, machinery and all. I guess it wanted to see if it could double as a submarine. I can only imagine the poor engine holding its breath, wondering if it's going to get a refreshing dip or if it's in for a watery disaster. Who knew off-roading came with an optional splash zone? Who would have guessed that the driver of that black sedan would be so bold? It's like they woke up that morning thinking, "Today's the day I conquer the road." That grapple attachment on the Excavator is an absolute game changer at the Scrapyard. It's like the Swiss Army knife of heavy machinery, capable of grabbing just about anything in its grasp. With a gentle squeeze, it can lift and move piles of scrap metal. And when it comes to dismantling a car, it makes the whole process look like child's play. One moment it's a car, and the next it's just a collection of parts, all thanks to this powerhouse of an attachment. Who knew heavy machinery could be so versatile and efficient while playing pick and smash? It's a true hero in the world of scrap. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you don't forget to like, and if you subscribe to my channel, we will definitely appreciate it. See you next time.